My name is Mr. McLaughlin, and I am the Deputy Head at the International School of Moscow. Teaching is definitely about shaping young minds and making a positive difference. And I'm able to see the difference that I'm making each and every day. So the academic standards at the International School of Moscow are extremely high. We help to ensure that every student achieves the best possible results in their examinations, regardless of which subject they are taking. And that's why we have some of the best results globally. We have highly qualified, native English-speaking teachers.
Well, Mr. McLaughlin started his career here at ISM as a teacher of mathematics and then very quickly progressed, found himself as a deputy head academic. Such great enthusiasm and passion for everything he does. He doesn't just teach maths, he works with the students outside of the classroom. He's often seen engaging in sport with the students, in performances, musically. He gets involved in the wider life of the school.
As well as maintaining high academic standards, we also think it's very important that students have a healthy mind. And what helps with this is the fact that our campus is situated in a luscious green space. I personally very much enjoy running in the Krylatsky Hills after a day at work. It's a fantastic way to prepare for another exciting day at the International School of Moscow.